Hi everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josie, and today's video is a tour of a French Chateau video. I am so excited to be sharing with you, ladies and gentlemen, this tour of a French Chateau video. And this video is part of a brand new series that I am actually starting in this channel that is called Tea Time with Josephine. But before I get into all the details of Tea Time with Josephine, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I do tablescaping videos, home decor videos, how to entertain at home video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, you can definitely subscribe. And I post videos once a week on this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all. So that way you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. So now going back to the Tea Time with Josephine. So this is basically a brand new series that I'm starting in my channel where I share with all of you anything that just brings joy and beauty into my life. And I just wanted to go ahead and share it with all of you. So it can be a tour of a beautiful home, or some home decor tips, or gardening tips, or maybe tips for tablescaping. So again, this is going to be a brand new series in this channel. And of course, since it is Tea Time with Josephine, I invite all of you to tea with me. And that is the reason why I have my tea right over here with me and this beautiful tea set. And so the tea that I am going to be drinking in today's video is this tea right here, which is the Yorkshire Tea, and this tea is absolutely fabulous. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below in the description box for this tea, and it's really good. It's a rich flavored tea. And so this is the tea I'm gonna be drinking. So of course, you can definitely pause this video, get yourself a hot cup of tea or a hot cup of coffee if you don't like tea. And of course, I drink both. I drink tea and coffee. And so once you get your cup of tea or coffee, then you can join me for this wonderful tour that we are going to be doing together of this beautiful French chateau. Welcome to Chateau de Morson. Chateau de Morson was built in 1765, and it is a classic example of the French Rococo style. It is located in Normandy, France, and it was used as a summer home. There is so much beauty in this chateau, and it really reminds me of Versailles. The first room that I wanted to talk about is this beautiful blue and white room. Blue and white is such a beautiful color combination because of the classic color pairing that brings out the beauty and elegance of a room, whether it is a bedroom or any room in the house. The next room that I am going to be sharing is this beautiful yellow and white room. This beautiful bedroom have colors of yellow and white, As you can see, the bedding is absolutely gorgeous, with a beautiful pattern that reminds me of the French countryside. This bedroom is a very classic Rococo style bedroom. The chandelier adds a touch of sophistication. And of course, the color yellow is bright, but is very glamorous and elegant, giving the bedroom a very springtime look with a French touch. The next bedroom, of course, is a red and white color bedroom that is absolutely gorgeous. Again, having that French countryside look with a touch of sophistication. This bedroom is absolutely gorgeous as well. Here is another bedroom that have a baby blue and ivory color, which is absolutely gorgeous as well. And now I'm going to be finishing up this tour with some more beautiful pictures of this beautiful chateau. Okay, everyone. So now that we have finished this beautiful tour of this French chateau, I wanted to share with all of you tips and tricks as far as, bringing the French chateau look into your home. And if you see me looking down, I'm actually looking at my notes. So the first element that I want to talk about is a chandelier. And I absolutely love chandeliers. I love chandeliers in any type of home decor. I think chandeliers really bring a look of luxury. It brings a sense of chic into a room. It elevates the room. It makes the room look very luxurious. And one of the things I notice about these French chateaus, particularly, whether they are old or new or renovated, whether they are old or modern, they usually have chandeliers in almost every room, not all the rooms, but almost every room. And that is one of the elements that I notice. And chandeliers, yes, they can be expensive, particularly crystal chandeliers. But remember, it is an investment, and it is an investment worth investing. And of course, chandeliers really elevate a room, and you can definitely put them in the dining room. Um, right here, you know, in my house. I'm actually in the dining room. We actually have a chandelier. I'm actually looking at it right now. And we actually have chandeliers in our bedrooms. And I think you can also put chandeliers in the bathroom as well. I've actually seen some people put chandeliers in bathrooms, again, depending on how big your bathroom is. Even if you have a small bathroom, you can definitely put a small chandelier. And it just really elevates a room. It makes a room look really sophisticated. And I just adore chandeliers. So that is tip number one. Tip number two is bringing an element of gilded mirrors. And I absolutely love gilded mirrors. And what I mean by gilded mirrors, I'm talking about mirrors that have like an ornate, intricate detail, style that kind of has this vintage look to it, that kind of have this 1700, like that Rococo style look. And I'm going to be inserting some pictures as I'm sharing all these tips so you can have an idea. And so again, gilded mirrors bring a touch of Rococo classic style into any room. And of course, you can put mirrors in the dining room. You can put mirrors in bedrooms. You can put them in bathrooms. And again, they really elevate a look of a room. The third element, the third tip and the third element that I want to talk about, and this is particularly for the bedroom, is having linens that have rich patterns. And this is something else that I noticed with the chateaus, is that a lot of chateaus in their bedrooms, their bed linens are really rich with patterns. There's different type of patterns, whether it is dark colors or pastel colors. There's lots of patterns going on. And if you are looking for bed linens that kind of have that Rococo style, like that French Rococo style, that Chateau style, I would definitely advise for you to get classic looking bedspreads or comforters, and also bedspread or comforters that have some beautiful floral patterns, some rich patterns into them, that could have maybe um, a touch of gold in them, you know, some kind of touch of luxury to them, and also that kind of have that French chateau look. So that is tip number three. Tip number four is all about the floral fabrics and floral wallpaper. Again, with these French chateaus, you can definitely have a sofa or a love seat that have a beautiful floral design or some type of pattern that really looks kind of vintage. It doesn't have to be floral, but it can be a pattern that have beautiful filigree design or scrolls designs on them that kind of have a vintage touch. And the same thing for wallpaper. Again, wallpaper with floral designs or some scroll designs on them look absolutely fabulous. Will definitely give you that French chateau look as well. And of course, the final tip that I want to share with everyone is, if you really want to have that French chateau look, that Rococo style look, I would highly advise for you to go to an antique shop. Go to antique shop, go to thrift stores, and see if you can find, something, furniture, anything that have an element of vintage to it, something that look like that is from that era. And a lot of times when you go to antique shops or when you go to a thrift store or even an estate sale, you find things that look different, things that you're not going to be finding in department stores. And I would highly recommend to go to either an antique shop, a thrift store, a secondhand store that have beautiful furniture or anything that looks really antique, or an actual shop that have antiques in it. And that's what I would highly recommend. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tour of a French Chateau video. And of course, this is part of the brand new series, Tea Time with Josephine. Let me know if you enjoyed this type of video, and if you want me to continue to make more videos, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Can't speak today, ladies and gentlemen. Down below in the comment section, definitely make a comment if you enjoyed this video, and I'll be doing more types of videos like this. And of course, the next video that I'm going to be doing is going to be a tablescape, and I'm going to be doing a beautiful summertime tablescape. And that is it for today's video, and I want to thank everyone for all of the wonderful comments that I've been getting. I will continue to do more videos, and I will be doing more tablescape videos, more home decor videos, more how to entertain at home videos, and more gardening videos. Bye-bye, and God bless.